Good morning, welcome back. So it's adventure day today, going into Savannah. Our friends are here. We're gonna go on an adventure today. Boat and water is involved. All right, we have arrived to downtown Savannah. Probably, I would say probably that one. We're going on that one.
That one or other one down there.
Yeah, or that one down there.
That one is probably that one or that one down there. What you think, Dale?
Savannah River between there. I don't know what the name of it.
The quinoa salad better or the fish and chip?
Depends. Do you want fried food or salad? I would prefer the Mediterranean quinoa. I prefer the chicken to be grilled and to like have fried food.
You can't do that with a fried chicken.
You can. You could do it with fried chicken if you wanted to. Actually, I don't know. We have chicken tenders. That'd be the closest thing we'd have to fried chicken if you want to do fried chicken with Mediterranean quinoa. But I'm not sure how that flavor profile would go. It's not quite bad enough weather to eat British food.
No, go ahead. I don't remember fish and chip.
No, they're not too bad. It's a red pepper sauce, but mayo base. It's not hot at all.
It's good.
Yeah, it's got good flavor. I really like our firecracker shrimp.
sorry, I'll go ahead. But still, I got 3 big issues here.
You want the fish and chips? Are y'all British? You got 2 looking at the fish and chips.
Same here.
Oh my gosh. Are we gonna third it up? Do another fish and chips?
Is the fish and chips, does it come with like some kind of dipping sauce?
It comes with tartar sauce, but we also got ketchup, honey mustard, ranch, blue cheese. So if you're not satisfied with the tartar sauce, I'm sure we can work something out for you.
Riverbat.
You got what?
Riverbat.
Riverbat's hard.
Okay, let me get the fish and chips.
Alright. That makes my life easy. Is that gonna be all y'all?
That'll do it.
Cool. Thanks, Benny.
Fish and chips. Fish and chips. Fish and chips.
All right. Thank you.
Do you know down beer?
I got you. I'll tell you another in a minute.
Yeah, same here.
Love his fish.
I got fish.
keeping it that way. Alright, so we are on the Georgia Queen. We're doing the scenic tour. There's many tours you can take on this same boat. They have lunch tours, they have dinner cruises, they have sunset cruises. So this cruise that we're taking today is an hour and a half long. Sorry for the noise. That boat that just went by is maneuvering into its spot. So prices range from, I think this cruise that we're on today is $80. That's for two. So it's from $80 on up to $150. So it depends on what cruise you want to go on, which one you want to take. We'd love to do the sunset cruise, but with the cloudy conditions and rain possible, we just decided against that. We didn't think that we would see much of a sunset.
Georgia. That's 300 miles up the river. or 300 miles ahead of us, because that is where we're sailing right now. We're going up the river towards the river source there in Lake Hartwell. Well, the river then flows down through Augusta, Georgia, where of course the Masters Golf Tournament is hosted every year at that beautiful club there in Augusta, 130 miles upriver from us. It then flows down through Savannah, where we are here today, and then out to the sea, out to the Atlantic Ocean. That's about 15 miles downriver. Buffet of buildings on the city front, and then the
Oh, you see him? He's at the cannon right now.
Brace yourselves, everybody. Round of applause, everybody. Young man, what's your name, sir? Mason?
We ain't controlling it. There'll be straps everywhere.
Yeah. So that wraps up our Savannah Riverboat cruise. I highly suggest it. If you're in this area, you've got to go on this cruise.